Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing out the various subject combinations for the different courses that you would want to study in the university. So first of all, let's start with medicine and surgery. Most of us want to go study medicine to become a doctor. Some of you want to study biology, some microbiology, some pharmacy. Any of these medical lines, the four subjects that you're supposed to write in Jamb are English, biology, physics, and chemistry. If you want to study engineering, say you want to study chemical engineering, electrical, mechanical, civil, computer science, these are the subjects that you're supposed to write in Jamb. English language, mathematics, physics, chemistry. If you want to study accounting, economics, business administration, banking and finance, these are the subjects you write: English, maths, economics, commerce, or financial accounting, depending on the one you're good at. If you want to go and study law, or you want to become a lawyer, you want to study linguistics, you want to study international relations, history, mass communication, the four subjects you're supposed to write in Jamb are English, literature in English, government, CRS, or RRS. So any of these four can help you in any of these courses. And all these are on our website, educateafricans.com. Once you get to educateafricans.com, click on blog, then you will see Jamb subject combination. You see every subject, any course you want to study, their subject combination. We've already uploaded them there for you. So also, if you need the syllabus for all these subjects, we already have them there. Just get to Educate Africans, click on blogs. You will see all the information that you need as a student. Then very importantly, you can click on these all courses. These all courses, you see all the different subjects that you're supposed to write, all planned with this Jamb syllabus according to curriculum for you to read and pass, so that you don't go reading things that are not important, things that are peripheral to your passing. So all these are already arranged on our platform. If you have any questions and concerns, please drop them in the comment section. You can call my number for any further inquiry. My number is +234 7067162698. So get studying immediately. This is the platform where students are studying now. Everything you need is on this platform, educateafricans.com. Educateafricans.com is the whole place for everything. You can see all the subjects: Christian religious knowledge, literature in English, commerce, economics, English, any of them you want, click on it. Make sure before you start that you've registered as a student. You can see on this menu, student registration. Click here, fill in your details and register, so that the videos will open when you click on them, so that the lectures will open when you click on them. That is what you need to do. Okay, thank you. See you when I